causes of drug abuse among the youth? To start from the family background.
The abuse of drugs is getting high. It's increasing every day by day.
According to the National Drug Law Enforcement Agency (NDLEA), Nigeria's drug abuse situation is alarming, with a national prevalence rate of 15%. Among youth, the figures are even more concerning, with rates estimated between 20% and 40%. From street corners to social media, it is evident that many youth are increasingly exposed to these substances, whether as users or traffickers. While agencies like the NDLEA have intensified crackdowns, many wonder, is this enough to stem the tide? On today's edition of People Talk, Vanguard Life takes to the streets to ask Nigerians, how can drug abuse and trafficking among youth be tackled?
What causes of drug abuse among the youth? To start from the family background. Some children didn't have a good family background setting, which caused them to go into depression and made them go into drugs. And also, peer pressure is part of the root problems of drug abuse in our community and society. It can be tackled by one, creating awareness for those who haven't gone into drugs yet, letting them know the consequences and the risk in taking drugs. And also, we can also fund our drug law enforcement agencies in doing their jobs well, not by embarrassing those into drugs, but rather doing it intentionally and professionally. Drug law enforcement agencies can go to those who are in supply of the drugs, those in high places, because we know that those around the community can't get access to such amount of drugs that is being supplied in the community. So they can go by first attacking those who supply them with such hard drugs.
The root causes of drug abuse is, let's say peer friends, all these bad companies. When they, when they go out, the peer pressure of come and test this, you have to be high. So so they'll now start introducing those drugs to them. So when they start taking them, before you know it, they are gone. The enforcement agency should, get awareness about these drugs, the side effects, and the long-term, effect of the drugs. So they should be able to, give them, let's say, how would I put it? They should encourage them, they should stay away from drugs because it's not good. It's a very bad thing to health, and can useless them. They will not be able to achieve their goals in life. The abuse of drugs is getting high. It's increasing every day by day. They are getting worse, and if you see them, you can see oneself after taking that drugs, you just stand on the way as if he froze. You have to hit him and pour him water before he gets himself. So you see, this thing is very bad. You can see one handsome guy will just start misbehaving. Before you know it, you just even remove his shirt, start running up and down, start chasing him up and down. So it's a very bad thing.
Because there's a high rate of drug abuse in the country. Some youths are pressurized by their fellow mates, and also lack of parental guidance. Parents don't monitor their youths like that. Law enforcement agencies should implement laws, and they should stand on it. It should be strictly enforced, and there should be education and awareness about the effects of drug abuse.